Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So Francois Poull created this game, and it's actually an awesome game. It's called Poull Ball. So I'm going to show you the different ways of playing it and how exciting and fun it can be used in the States. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and please do not go anywhere. Alright, so for our do-yourself PE game, Poull Ball, I do have some helpers. As always, you know Jordan. Jordan would like to share his channel, in case you guys are interested in Beyblades. Jordan's Battle Royale. And Eli would like to share his anime channel, which is?
Next to.
And I'll drop a link below for you guys to check out those channels as well. So they're going to help us out with this game of Poull Ball, and we're super excited to show it to you guys, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for Poull Ball. Now, I created a perimeter using some cones. I have a weighted stand here. This is a broom stick, a cone, and then a dice. In the actual game of Poull Ball, he has a ginormous dice that you guys are going to use as a target to knock it down. Now, the way you do this is you have to advance the ball by throwing it to a teammate. You guys are going to throw it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until you get to this area in which you're going to have to throw to knock down the dice. Now, if you knock down the dice, you score points. If you don't, you still can get it on the opposite side and knock it over. But it's not that easy, because you will have a defender who is trying to defend you and can intercept the ball and again take it the opposite direction. Alright, so Jordan and Elijah are going to go ahead and toss it back and forth to each other. They can do it underhand or overhand as long as they advance the ball forward. If the ball drops, they can quickly retain possession by getting it and throwing it further. Their job is to throw it back and forth to each other, and I'm going to modify it and I have them have 5 passes in order for them to throw it and try to hit the target, which is the dice. The goal is for them to throw it and knock over the dice. If they do, they are going to get 5 points for their team. So here we go. As a reminder, they have to do at least 5 passes before shooting and throwing at the target. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, they can regain possession. And toss. Missed it. Jordan's on the opposite side. He can get it. Throw. Oh, still missed it. Oh, good passes.
He's the win.
And again, you still have to hit that target. Oh, missed it.
Jordan!
Regain that possession.
Get it!
Move around. Oh, still in the air. Somebody's got to score. Third move. Third group. And oh my goodness. Keep going.
We just restart this?
Again, use that strategy. And still hasn't scored. We're working on it. Keep passing it. Sir. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. They need one more pass. 5 and shoot. All right. Knock off the dice. It counts. Okay. Try it again. A little bit faster. Go, 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 go. You're going to pick up the ball and do it again. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Pick it up. 3, 4. Pass. Pass it back to Jordan. Let him shoot this time and shoot. Oh, good. Pick it up. You got to go. How about your teammate. Help out your teammate. Get a closer shot. Pass, 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 pass. And score. All right, so far we showed you the practice session where Jordan and Eli did not have a defender. Well, now I'm going to be the defender, and I'm going to guard them, and they're going to have to either toss it underhand or throw it overhand, and again, try to knock down the target. So we're going to start this in just a moment. All right, here we go. Jordan and Eli are up again against me as a defender. 3, 2, 1, go. 3. Remember, you have to do 5 passes.
4.
5.
Jordan, pass. Out. Eli, pass. Eli.
Out of the circle.
Jordan.
I got the ball. Oh.
Jordan. Pass.
I had the ball. Oh, and Jordan and Eli knock it over with 5 points for their team. Ready, Jordan's the defender now. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Oh, knocked it out. Oh, Jordan intercepted it, so now he would go back. All right, so we're gonna have Eli be the defender now. Eli's the defender. Jordan and I are teamed up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3.
Eli, defend us.
I know, you gotta defend it. Pass. Oh, and a clean shot and a score. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this game of Poull Ball. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe.
and comment. And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.